Usher's past, present, and future North American tour. And just when you think you've seen it all, a surprise act shakes up the crowd. Guess who made a jaw-dropping appearance? None other than Jamaican dancehall sensation Masicka. Monday night at Toronto's Scotiabank Arena, and the vibe is already electric. Out of nowhere, Kardinal Offishall, who's known for his work with Def Jam and his undeniable stage presence, grabs the mic. He teases the crowd, and then boom, he introduces Masicka, fresh from Kingston, Jamaica. Masicka's entrance? Absolutely unforgettable. Dressed in a lime green sweater and black leatherette trousers, colors that scream Jamaican pride. And when he hit the stage with dancers and kicked off with Fight For Us from his album Generations of Kings, the audience was on fire.
With a special friend, all the way from Kingston, Jamaica.
Usher himself, alongside Kardinal Offishall, got in on the dancehall action, performing the classic Murder, She Wrote by Shaka Demus and Pliers.
Sing it out!
Now, this wasn't just a one-time thing for Masicka and Kardinal. They have history. They collaborated way back in 2016 on the track Samurai Showdown, which gave us gritty lyrics over a trap beat. Sounds like they're taking this partnership to the next level, right? And of course, Masicka didn't miss the chance to share his excitement on Instagram, giving a shout out to both Kardinal and Usher, and showing his fans that dancehall is still alive and kicking on the global stage. He wrote, "Shout out me bro at Kardinalo, crazy vibe. Big up the legend at Usher, hashtag dancehall, hashtag one side, hashtag Toronto, hashtag dreams." So, with Usher's tour moving forward through cities like Paris, Amsterdam, and Berlin, we can't help but wonder, what other surprises does he have in store? Could we see more Jamaican vibes coming through? And what do you think? Should we be seeing more of these cross-genre collaborations? Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think this surprise appearance is a sign of more to come between dancehall and R&B? Or was this a one-off? And for those who were there, how did it feel to see Masicka bring that Jamaican energy to Toronto? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.